1 minute, I'll check my folder also. Okay, I will check my Google Meet. Yes, again I'll check with everybody. Okay, Brijeshi, am I audible? Am I audible and the screen visible? You can respond in chat just for testing. Okay. Okay, Brijeshi left our meeting. So basically we have two BAM files, three BAM files now, both.bam. So if you want to check the read groups, yes, sample space view space qualifier h space both.bam, right? Yes, now you can clearly see the sample difference, right? What are the two samples?
Align ALGN and sort.
Yes. So ALGN we got from which SAM file? From aligned SAM file, right?
Yes.
And sort we got from aligned and sorted SAM file. So in order to go to this step, yes, in order to go to this step in the varsec, because we didn't anyway download the human genome dataset, how do we select specific samples? We have to get the VCF file for this one, right? For both.bam, yes. Yes, basically we have to get the VCF file for both.bam, right?
Yes.
Then we can do that. So at what step it is, if we carefully go back to the protocol, generating the VCF file for this is not so time taking. Here snip call, so snip 01. Yes, we are up to this stage, right? SAM or BAM. So let us generate the VCF file. So BCF file is generated always with the sorted BAM. Yes. So
Yes.
so we can do with all, right? It's just one. We are doing with all, and just samples are different. So we are doing with all. So we can do with both. So calculate the read. So where is it? Step 1. Before step 1 is anything essential? Nothing is essential, right? Sorted.bam and then align.bam and then align.bam samples view, and this is also fine. Okay, so coming to first step, BCF proofs mpiler. So ls we have both.bam, so let us do that. So fundamentally we from the BCF file, that is the output, we have to get the input as align.sorted.bam. So let us first sort this BAM file, that will be better. Samples flagstat SAM tools sort, SAM tools align.sam, align.bam. Yes, SAM tools sort, right? Sorted.bam. SAM tool space port space qualifier row results. We are in the same folder, so results, that is BAM. So we are going to give both dot BAM and then in the same folder both dot align dot BAM. Okay, so we are not able to run both dot align dot BAM, so that should be in results, right? Yes, this is the current folder itself, right? So output is this, and this is okay. This is in the current folder. Both dot BAM is here. We have this should be aligned. We can better give it this. It's here itself, no problem. This is the output we want, and this is the align dot sorted, right? Align dot BAM. First we do this command, then okay, maybe this is quite confusing. We will do we already did the equali with BWA, right? Yes,
Yes.
so please do separately the equali with BT2 bowtie 2, yes, as a homework. Simple, all the steps are there. So I will also do for tomorrow, and then we'll get two samples, one for BW, one for bowtie. That will be more better to understand. Yes, so the algorithms being different, there will be slight differences, so that way we can call it like actual samples with two different algorithms. Okay, so from up to this page, up to 30th page, is single VCF, but following page 30 we need at least two samples. So how are you planning to name them? We can just name them BWA and bowtie, right? The sample names. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So BWA, no problem. Just add a read group to that. Whatever is the BWA, whatever is the equali we have, we already did it with BWA, so no need to repeat the BWA. So that we'll just add a read group with BWA, and bowtie when we do separately, we'll have the bowtie separately. So we will do that tomorrow, and we'll do the rest of the sample comparison VCF commands. Okay, to summarize today, we did for example, how do we select indels only? We saw that there are 251 indels in the VCF file, and we also saw how we can include and exclude a region, a specific region in the VCF file, as using VCF tools query command, and how to extract particular information from a VCF in custom format. We can choose a particular columns that we want. Yes, so choosing like this is also a way we can do, right? So VCF tools query qualifier F up to here. If we do, let us check this quickly. So control U, clear ls cd space ngs space slash recordings 2020 and September 2020, and then ngs 14 September 2020. These are the files we have for today. So we index the VCF file. So now let us run this command to check again for the indels. So bcf rule space query space qualifier f space percentage chrome space percentage position space percentage ref space percentage alt. Yes. So let us burn all this into a single thing format, right? And then equal dot vcf dot gz. So this way, if we go back to this, we can basically parse the VCF file excluding the headers. Okay, no such thing in the VCF format, info format. Format fields must be in square brackets, example format. Okay, so sorry, 1 minute, let us check this. We are getting here index snip and format, so that column we should get in a particular way. All the sample list of all samples, and then including excluding specific region, including, and then select indels only, right? So position type plus position type. So we can check this type is equal to indel, and okay, this query. So that column, how we will get, let us inspect the VCF file again. Get qualifier n25 n35 equal dot VCF. So this column 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so this should be basically info column 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yes, it should be info column 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yes, so this is info. So let us take info. Yes, this terminal only. So clear let us remove qualifier n. One minute. So then this must be the type we should get. Let us check the type in this command. That's what I wanted to emphasize. So this command, if you take bcf tools view space qualifier I space type is equal to indel, this should be, so okay, this should be in single quote, and this is equal dot vcf dot gz, and pipe okay, we'll give pipe and then the rest of the command. This is bcf tools query qualifier f Last time we did WC qualifier L, so let us remove WC qualifier L and check. BCF2 space query space qualifier F space push position and type. Okay, so this should be fine, and this is in single quotes and that is in single quotes. Yes, so you're seeing right now all are indel. Yes. Yes, these are all the indels, right? We are seeing all indels on the right column. Yes. Let us rerun the command. Let us, for example, see first 10 indels. Yes, 301 is the first indel. We can see the indels, right? The first 10 indels. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So let us check. Let us play around with this, whether we can find something else. Type is equal to indel. So let us check whether we can find type is equal to snip. So these are all snips, right? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. This way we can find out easily. So let us check, for example, for snips, what is the count? Yes. This is 30,792. For indels, what is the count? Yes, and then what is the total count? $31,000. So still there's a discrepancy. Let us check BC. 30,792 minus, okay, plus, right, plus 251. Yes, 31,043. Is it matching? Is it matching now?
Yes.
Yes. So among the 31,043 variants, how many indels are there and how many snips are there?
$251 indels and 30,792
Snips, yes. So this way you can check, right, with simple Linux. BC is a calculator tool in Linux. Okay, BC is inbuilt in Linux. We know how to install it. grep is grep qualifier v. Yes, can you remember this command? What does this command signify? What this command will give us?
excluding the header, all the lines. It will count all the lines excluding the header line which starts with hash.
So essentially, what is the total number of variants, right?
Yes.
So here we saw that the total number of variants is nothing but number of indels plus number of yes, here the total number of variants is number of indels plus number of
Snips.
right? Okay, so please take it as a homework. Please do the bow tie part for E. coli, because this dataset, basing on this, we are doing this, right? So already the read group for BWA, for that is BWA, you can add the read group. That's no problem. But for bow tie, you can add it as bow tie. Okay, you already have the DNSSEC PDF, right? How to add read groups? Yes. I will also prepare the files for tomorrow based on bow tie. We already did the BWA to VCF. Let's do bow tie to VCF from the beginning. Okay, you already have a terminal book also, right? Again see this. So if you again refer to this, is this link? Yes. So exactly you can follow all the steps. Yes, this second PDF you have, right? Yes, terminal book. So
Yes.
exactly you can follow all the steps. So only difference is instead of doing BWA, you could do bow tie. Okay, it's not done in the manual, right? It's not done in the protocol also. I'm again mentioning the link. Please do bow tie. Please, let's all do. Bow tie to VCF for E. coli. Okay, I'm again copying this in WhatsApp group. Okay, it's a homework for all of us. Please, let's do bow tie to VCF for E. coli. Okay, will you do that by tomorrow? We'll keep the files ready for bow tie to VCF. Yes. Then only we can do the other things. We need minimum 2 samples, right? We need minimum 2 samples. Yes, for the further commands. Yes. See, we require minimum 2 samples for the further commands. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, so please do the bow tie to VCF for tomorrow. Okay, we'll meet Tuesday 2 p.m.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.